Welcome back all of you. In this topic we are going to see the process to be followed by sub-offices for opening of savings bank account, that is SB account opened by branch post offices through RICT. The menu is CASBAO and verification is done by supervisor using the menu CASBAV. In our previous topic we have seen how to open a TD account and RD account opened by BO. Now, what is the difference between opening of those two schemes and SB? In SB, there is one additional step, that is funding using menu HTM. In those two schemes, RD and TD, account opening and funding are part of the same process. That means, while opening of accounts itself, funding will be done. Whereas in case of savings account, we will open the account, we will verify the account, and funding is the third process using HTM. And only during funding, we will be debiting the office adjustment account of that particular BO and credit the new account opened. Now let us see the process. Login as operator and enter CASBAO in menu field and click go. Enter the SIF number in SIF ID field. Choose the scheme code as SBGen. If you know the code, you can choose SBGen. Otherwise, use this search icon to get the scheme code. There are two scheme codes, SBGen and SBCHQ for check account. Here I am choosing SBGen and click go. The name and address will automatically come in from the data what is available in the SIF. Enter the mode of operation as 012. This means it is a self-operated account. If you know the code, you can very well type, otherwise you can use the search lens. Enter the number of documents received as 1. Enter the branch code, branch office code, that is FSI code allotted for a BO. If you know the BO code, you can very well type, otherwise you can use the search code. Let me show the usage of search code. Here there are nearly 7 BOs under the SO. You choose the BO code correctly. Enter the document code as 016, which means this is the account opening form. Enter the unique ID field. Enter the unique ID field. From where you can get this unique ID field? RICT unique ID field is available on the receipt what is pasted on the new account open. Whenever a BO is opening a new account, a receipt will be generated in RICT device and they will be pasting it on the account opening form. You can type the data by seeing the receipt, or you can use HACLPOA menu and generate the report, and you can copy and paste it from there. Usage of HACLPOA is discussed in our earlier topic. After entering RICT unique ID field, scroll down and enter the nominee details. Scroll down and enter the nominee details. Name, relationship, address. Enter the PIN code of the nominee so that the city and state field will be automatically filled in. Enter the nominee percentage and click submit. See, the account is opened successfully. Note down this account number on account opening form, KYC form and the pay slip and hand it over to supervisor for verification. Login as supervisor and enter HASBAV and click go. Choose verify from the function code and enter the account ID and click go. Now the supervisor compares the data with the application in his hand and click submit. And we have completed the second step, that is verification of account. Now we are entering into the third step, that is funding of this account. So far this SB account is not funded. Only we have opened the account and verified the account. Log on as operator. See, this is the operator ID. Enter HTM and click go. HTM is the menu used for funding of account. Click go. Now choose add from the function code and choose the transaction type as customer induced. And click go. Here we are going to debit the office adjustment account of the BO and crediting it to the SB account. So what is the office account ID of the BO? Office account ID of a particular BO is nothing but SOL ID followed by FSI code of that particular BO followed by N. We have discussed that in our early topic. If you are not clear, please refer to our earlier topic on HACL POA menu. Enter SOL ID followed by BO code followed by N. Enter the amount. Before entering the amount, enter the reference ID in this field and then enter the amount. So BO has opened this account with 600 as the initial deposit. So we are now debiting the BO account ID. The next step, we are going to credit it into the new SB account. Before that, click on go here in additional part transaction data, restore values. This is the icon. Click on go. We are going to fetch the data. Okay, so click enter the reference number in this field once again and click go. Now this is the entry what is coming from RICT server. Okay, in RICT data, the BO has opened this account with 600 deposit. Choose this data by selecting this entry. Click it here and click accept. Click accept. Now click add. So see, record 1 we are debiting this office adjustment account. Record 2 we will be crediting to the SB account. Click add. Add to insert the record 2. Now enter the new SB account in this field. We are going to credit. Okay. Enter the SB account number. Don't worry, I have not set it as credit. It will come automatically. Enter the SB account number. Check the name of the depositor also. Now this icon is called get contra. Get contra. If you click on this icon, Finacle will mark this entry as credit. As the previous row is debit, Finacle will mark it as credit, and the amount what is available on the previous record, that is record 1, previous record 1, will appear in this amount field also. Click on this get contra. Now let me show what will happen on clicking of get contra. Once I click get contra, Finacle will mark credit automatically, and the amount what is available on the debit. So we have debited the office settlement account of the BO, that is OAP account, office adjustment account of the BO, and credited the SB account of the customer. Scroll down and click post. Once you click post, the transaction ID is generated. Note down this ID on the paying slip. Of course, the supervisor has to use the HTM menu to verify the same. Now let us see how the office settlement account behaves after opening of account. Use the menu HACL POA and click go. Enter PM in report to field. Enter the office settlement account. Office settlement account is nothing but SOL ID followed by BO code followed by N. Enter the from period as today's date and click submit. A report is generated. Use HPR menu to generate the report. Click go. Click go. Office ledger is created. Click and click print screen. So this is how the office settlement account will appear. See, let us analyze this report. There are two entries. The first entry is created when the account is opened by branch post offices using RICT device. That is 600 amount is 600 that is a sum of rupees 600 is credited into the office adjustment account. Now we have opened the account by debiting the office settlement account. Therefore, the closing balance, it is somewhat hidden below. The closing balance is appearing as 0, so that we have adjusted the office adjustment account of the particular BO. Thank you.